Hi, today I'm going to talk about data management, dashboard management. So, for example, here I have a two Tableau calculation, which is not the raw data. So I just randomly type in anything. So it doesn't make sense, but it is just for testing purpose. And then there's another profit ratio. This is default in this dashboard. So which is sum of profit divided by sum of sale. So in this dashboard, um, all these are raw data. The measure the fields that have equal sign at the beginning, which means it is Tableau calculation. So in this dashboard, I have actually two. If you are not including the number of record, so we have two Tableau calculation. So now I save this dashboard. Um, and then let me drag this dashboard into an Excel worksheet. And then it will ask you to open in another with another file extension. Hit yes, and then as an XML table, and then continue. Click OK. And then basically what you're doing is that you open a Tableau dashboard in an Excel worksheet. And now to find let's say Tableau calculation. Okay, so here you can see that this is the Tableau calculation that I just created in this dashboard, in the dashboard called Workbook 1. And then I also have the second Tableau dashboard, a Tableau calculation here, which is the um, profit ratio. So so here in the caption column, you have the name for this Tableau calculation. If you go above, this is calculation 1. So if you open this, you can see that this is calculation 1, which has sum of sum discount divided by quantity. I also have a comment here, testing only. This is another calculation. So when you open this workbook, so calculation 1, and then when you look into the actual syntax, the formula here, you can see that this is sum plus discount divided by quantity, and the comments are also here. So there are a lot of other information in this Excel worksheet. You can find the name of your raw data, their type, for example, whether it is measure or it's domain, or whether, and then you can also look into the detail whether it's quantitative or text or a float or some other. And then there is some other information in this worksheet. This Excel worksheet is very large, so however, if you only want to capture what are the domain and what are the measure and domain that you use in your Tableau dashboard, and what are the calculation embedded in this dashboard, you can use this way to find out all the syntax to manage your dashboard, or even to create a documentation about what are the fields and the calculation used in your dashboard. There are some other ways, which is to, for example, if you can open the dashboard here in the Notepad. However, that way is complicated. It is you can open it and try it. You can also see this similar information, but it is not in the table form, and it is also difficult to find in the Notepad. So if you open in the Excel format, it is easier, and then it's also in table format, so that you can find all the detailed information and also the syntax in your Tableau calculation. So so this so these are some Tableau dashboard management tips. So yeah, thank you very much.